Y'all, my mom said she's seen better water in her bathtub.
I said what I said.
Okay, mom, refinished hardwood floors, 6 bedrooms, 5 baths.
Fresh paint.
Throughout, high ceilings and natural light everywhere. Kitchen, quartz counters, gas range, built-in speakers, and this massive island.
Soft clothes.
Soft clothes.
Acceptable. Wow. You have the water view from the kitchen.
From almost every room, mom. Living room, dining room, all facing the bay. And this family room with another water view and a deck.
This room is gorgeous. And I really like this deck.
That's the point. Natural light, water views, constantly.
I'm listening.
Are you ready to see the bathtub?
Yes. This is not a bathtub.
No, this is a Chesapeake Bay.
Oh, now this is the lifestyle right here.
So mom, if I asked you what you thought about this house, what would you say?
I love it and I would buy it.
Absolutely. So what do we tell the people?
Call her before someone else does.
I'm Dr. Laketta Burgess. Call me for your insider's tour. Link in bio.